right, Jose.
Yep.
You're good. We got it.
Got it, Jose. All right, everyone, let's get ripping. Good luck to all. Thanks for joining South Shore Breakers. Doing the 2020 Bowman Draft Super Jumbo Box. 5 packs per box. Auto in each pack. Good luck to all. Let's get ripping with the first pack.
I got you in our sheet, Jose. It's just not going to change on the stream sheet, but I got you down. No worries. We're going to send it all with your other cards.
Start off with the papers. Oswald Pereza, Pete Crow Armstrong, Bryson Stott, Jackson Miller, Jackson Rutledge, Gilberto Jimenez, Marco Luciano, Tekoa Roby, Max Meyer, Alexander Canairo, Tink Hentz, Michael Taglia, DL Hall, Heston Kerstad, Daniel Lynch, Daniel Cabrera, Hayden Contrelli, Adley Rushman, Tyler Brown, Christian Chamberlain, Jordan Westberg, Daniel Espino, Cole Henry, Jay Groom, Owen Miller, Zach Bean, Ryan Jensen, Nick York, Geraldo Perdomo, Dylan Dingler, Luke Little, Luis Gill, Drew Romo, Ian Bedell, Bobby Miller, RJ Devovich, Garrett Crochet, and a Spencer Torkelson paper. On to the refractors and chromes we go. First off, Shane Boz refractor, Rays. Carson Tucker, first Bowman refractor, Indians. Hunter Bishop, refractor, Giants. And there's the Austin Hendrick refractor going to the Reds.
Good start with the Hendrick.
Great start with the Hendrick. Glimpse of greatness, Heston Kerstad, Orioles. Carson Tucker, Indians. Christian Chamberlain, Royals. Jordan Westberg, Orioles. Daniel Espino, Indians. Cole Henry, Nationals. Jay Groom, Red Sox. Casey Schmidt, Giants. George Kirby, Mariners. Xavier Warren, Brewers. Bobby Witt Jr., Royals. Ethan Hankins, Indians. Trevor Halver, Yankees. Reese Hines, Reds. Logan Gilbert, Mariners. Isaiah Green, Mets. Riley Green, Tigers. And a glimpse, actually a 20 and 20, Pete Crow Armstrong going to the Mets. 20 and 20, Pete Crow Armstrong going to the Mets. Bottom portion of pack number 1. No color in the autograph. Start off with the papers. Matthew Liberator, Quinn Compton, Jordan Adams, Zach Deloach, Adam Simonaris, Jimmy Glamke, Nick Ludlow, O'Neill Cruz, Trent Palmer, Julio Rodriguez, Sam Weatherly, Christian Robinson, Alex Santos, Shailene Gliers, Nick Garcia, Grayson Rodriguez, Xavier Warren, Ryan Rollison, Justin Lang, Casey Schmidt, George Kirby, Mike Ciani, Javier Encarnacion, Shane Drowan, Xavier Edwards, Asa Lacey, Aaron Shortridge, Clayton Dieter, Ronaldo Hernandez, Jeter Downs, excuse me guys, Cade Cavalli, Miguel Amaya, Chris McMahon, AJ Vukovic, Tristan Lutz, Carter Balmer, Ben Hernandez, Thomas Sagsy. On to the chromes, refractors, and auto we go. First up, refractor for the Indians, Daniel Espino. First Bowman refractor for the Nationals, Cole Henry. Refractor, Logan Gilbert, Mariners. And first Bowman refractor, Isaiah Green for the Mets. Next up, we got a franchise futures, Nick Gonzalez, Karen Molzinski for the Pirates. Mike Ciani, Reds. Javier Encarnacion, Marlins. David Calabrese, Angels. Nolan Gorman, Cardinals. Levy Prater, Cardinals. Andrew Vaughn, White Sox. Gage Workman, Tigers. Brady McConnell, Royals. Jeff Criswell, A's. Marco Raya, Twins. Tanner Burns, Indians. Hans Krause, Rangers. Austin Wells, Yankees. Warner Blakely, Angels. Justin Foscue, Rangers. And we got a glimpse of greatness, Nick Gonzalez for the Pirates. And the auto behind him, it is a San Francisco Giant. It is Casey Schmidt. Nice card there for Jose. That's the way to pick him up early. I mean, late. Casey Schmidt going to Jose. There you go. You just made your money back on that one. Nice job, Jose. Casey Schmidt to the Giants. On to pack 2 we go.
Third baseman and a pitcher.
Yeah, I saw that. This card. Start off with the papers. Jackson Rutledge, Gilberto Jimenez, Marco Luciano. The papers are great to play 52 pickup with my nephew. I like that. I like that, Haley. Takoa Roby, Matthew Liberator, Quinn Compton, Jordan Adams, Zach Deloach, Jordan Baldovich, Nick Gonzalez, Austin Wells, Werner Blakely, Justin Foscue, Hans Krause, Michael Bush, Tyler Soderstrom, Case Williams, Reed Detmers, Matthew Dyer, Burl Carway, Logan Hoffman, Slade Ciccione, Jared Duran, Evan Carter, Zach Veen, Ryan Jensen, Nick York, Geraldo Perdomo, Dylan Dingler, Luke Little, Xavier Edwards, Asa Lacey, Aaron Shortridge, Garrett Crochet, Spencer Torkelson, second paper Torquay, Jeter Downs, Cade Cavalli, we got a blue paper behind him, and it is Matthew Liberator at a $4.99. Matthew Liberator at a $4.99 going to the Cardinals. On to the Chromes Refractors we go. Jordan Groshans, Blue Jays. Emerson Hancock, first Bowman Refractor, Mariners. Anthony Volpe Refractor, Yankees. And then Caden Pulchevich, first Bowman Refractor, Mariners. Following that, we got Glimpse of Greatness, J.J. Bleday, Marlins. Ben Hernandez, Royals. Thomas Saxey, Rangers. Zach McKembley, Marlins. Aaron Ashby, Brewers. Liam Norris, Diamondbacks. Jason Dominguez, Yankees. Joe Ryan, Rays. Blake Rutherford, White Sox. Carson Ragsdale, Phillies. Nick Bitsko, Rays. Jackson Cower, Royals. Bryce Jarvis, Diamondbacks. Jordan Balzovich, Twins. Nick Gonzalez, Pirates. O'Neal Cruz, Pirates. Nick Lofton, Royals, and a 20-20 Pete Crow Armstrong once again. Another 20-20 Pete Crow Armstrong. On to the bottom portion of pack 2 we go. It's a refractor auto. We got a blue before the auto. Good stuff. Start off with the papers. Adam Seminaris, Jimmy Glownke, Nick Ludlow, O'Neal Cruz, Nick Lofton, Milan Tolentino, Nick Swiney, Tristan Casas, Max Meyer, Alexander Canairo, Tink Hentz, Michael Taglia, D.L. Hall, Heston Kerstaff, Daniel Lynch, Daniel Cabrera, Hayden Contrelli, Keone Cavaco, Ed Howard, Garrett Mitchell, Corbin Carroll, Shane Baz, Carson Tucker, Christian Chamberlain, Zach Britton, Clayton Beater, Ronaldo Hernandez, Hunter Bernhardt, Joey Cantillo, Cody Hose, Josh Jung, Samian Fonte, Kyle Isbell, Connor Phillips, Miguel Amaya, Chris McMahon, AJ Vukovic, Tristan Lutz. Onto the Chromes and Auto we go. Start off with Shane Boz Refractor, Rays. Carson Tucker for his Bowman Refractor, Indians. Bobby Witt Jr. Refractor for the Royals. Trevor Hall for his Bowman Refractor, Yankees. Next up, we got Franchise Futures. Asa Lacy, Nick Lofton for the Royals. Jesse Franklin, Braves. Travis Swaggerty, Pirates. Landon Knack, Dodgers. Luis Gill, Yankees. Drew Romo, Rockies. Ian Bedell, Cardinals. Bobby Miller, Dodgers. Milan Tolentino, Indians. Nick Swiney, Giants. Anthony Volpe, Yankees. Caden Pulsevich, Mariners. CJ Abrams, Padres. Jordan Nwagu, Cubs. Hunter Bishop, Giants. Austin Hendrick, Reds. The blue behind him is a Zach Veen at a 150. Nice card there for the Rockies. Zach Veen, first Bowman out of 150. Going to Scott R. Nice card there for Scott R. Zach Veen, 96 of 150. Very nice. And let's get to the auto. It is a bat. It's for the Kansas City Royals. It is Saul Garza for the Kansas City Royals. 92 of 499. Saul Garza, catcher for the Kansas City Royals. Going to Brandon D. Nice card there, Brandon.
This has been the Rockies' case.
Yeah.
Being auto. It's great.
Signed as a free agent. Saul Garza. Nice card there for the Royals. On to pack 3 we go. Start off with the papers. Adamson Menares, Jimmy Glownke, Nick Ludlow, O'Neill Cruz, Nick Lofton, Alika Williams, Dan Aker, Cameron Moldzinski, Carson Ragsdale, Nick Bitsko, Jackson Cower, Bryce Jarvis, Jordan Balzovich, Jeff Criswell, Marco Raya, Tanner Burns, Hans Kraus, Brennan Davis, Bryce Bonin, Jared Jones, Bailey Horn, Burl Carway, Logan Hoffman, Slade Ciccione, Robert Paulson, Josh Jones, Samian Fonte, Kyle Isfeld, Connor Phillips, Mitchell Parker, Chris McMahon, AJ Vukovic, Tristan Lutz, Carter Balmer, Ben Hernandez, Thomas Saxey, Zach McKembley, and we got a blue paper, and it is Ronnie Maurizio out of 499 going to the New York Mets. Ronnie Maurizio out of 499 blue paper going to the Mets. Going to the Chromes and Refractors. Starting off with Christian Chamberlain for his Bowman Refractor, Royals. Jordan Westberg for his Bowman Refractor, Orioles. Oswaldo Pereza Refractor, Yankees. And a Pete Crow Armstrong for his Bowman Refractor, Mets. Next up, we got a Glimpse of Greatness, Nick Gonzalez. Freddie Zamora, Brewers. Shane Drowan, Red Sox. Owen Cassie, Padres. Jack Bloomgren, Rockies. Evan Carter, Rangers. Zach Britton, Blue Jays. CJ Van Eyck, Blue Jays. Spencer Strider, Braves. Look at this first Bowman streak we got going here. Larry Soler, Twins. Matthew Dyer, Mets. Keone Cavaco, Twins. That was like 8 first Bowmans in a row. Michael Bush, Dodgers. Tyler Soderstrom, A's. Case Williams, Rockies. Reed Detmers, Angels. DL Hall, Orioles. Then we got a Applied Pressure Cantillo for the Indians. Nice looking card. Joey Cantillo, Applied Pressure, Indians. Onto bottom portion of pack 3. Ooh, we got a blue auto at a 150. Good luck, everyone. But we start off with the papers. Milan Tolentino, Nick Swiney, Anthony Volpe, Caden Pulsevich, C.J. Abrams, Jordan Nwagu, Hunter Bishop, Austin Hendrick, Nick Gonzalez, Austin Wells, Warner Blakely, Justin Foscue, Tristan Casas, Michael Bush, Tyler Soderstrom, Case Williams, Reed Detmers, Hunter Green, Holden Powell, Jaron Duran, Garrett Mitchell, Corbin Carroll, Shane Boz, Carson Tucker, Freddie Zamora, Hudson Haskin, Ryan Murphy, Casey Martin, Ronnie Maurizio, Nico Holsizer, Aaron Ashby, Liam Norris, Jason Dominguez, Joe Ryan, Blake Rutherford, Jesse Franklin, Travis Swaggerty, and Landon Knack. Onto the Chrome and Auto we go. First up, Refractor for the Red Sox, Jay Groom. Casey Schmidt, first Bowman Refractor, Giants. Riley Green Refractor, Tigers. And a Jeff Criswell, first Bowman Refractor, A's. Following that, we got Franchise Futures, Ed Howard, Burl Carway, Cubs. Jared Schuster, Braves. Shane McClanahan, Rays. Patrick Bailey, Giants. Shane Groshans, Blue Jays. Henderson Hancock, Mariners. Francisco Alvarez, Mets. Jordan Walker, Cardinals. Shane Boz, Rays. Heston Kjerstad, Orioles. Daniel Lynch, Royals. Daniel Cabrera, Tigers. Hayden Contrelli, Brewers. Alex Santos, Astros. Shea Langeliers, Braves. Nick Garcia, Pirates. Grayson Rodriguez, Orioles, and the auto behind him is a Texas Ranger. It is Thomas Sagsy, first Bowman auto out of 150. Thomas Sagsy, Texas Ranger shortstop, going to Colin J. Nice card, Colin. Thomas Sagsy auto at a 150. 51 of 150. 50 or 61? 51 out of 150. Nice card, Colin. On to pack 4 we go. Nick Lofton, Milan Tolentino, Nick Swiney, Anthony Volpe, Caden Pulsevich, C.J. Abrams, Tyler Freeman, Quinn Priester, Corey Lee, Mark Vientos, Alika Williams, Dan Aker, Bobby Witt Jr., Trevor Halver, Ethan Hankins, Reese Hines, Logan Gilbert, Joe Boyle, Logan Allen, David Calabrese, Nolan Gorman, Levi Prater, Andrew Vaughn, Owen Cassie, Hunter Bernhardt, Joey Cantillo, Cody Hose, Josh Jung, Samian Fonte, Zach McKembley, Aaron Ashby, Liam Norris, Jason Dominguez, Joe Ryan, Blake Rutherford, Jesse Franklin, Travis Swaggerty, and Landon Knack. On to the Chromes and Refractors we go. First up, Francisco Alvarez, Mets Refractor. First Bowman Refractor, Jordan Walker, Cardinals. C.J. Abrams Refractor, Padres. And a Jordan Nwagu, first Bowman Refractor, Cubs. Following that, we got Glimpse of Greatness, Spencer Torkelson, Tigers. Jared Jones, Pirates. Bailey Horn, White Sox. And Burl Carway, Cubs. Logan Hoffman, Pirates. Slade Cincioni, Diamondbacks. Jarrett Drowan, Red Sox. Garrett Mitchell, Brewers. Corbin Carroll, Diamondbacks. Tristan Casas, Red Sox. Max Meyer, Marlins. Alexander Canairo, Giants. Tank Hens, Cardinals. Michael Toglia, Rockies. Trent Palmer, Blue Jays. Julio Rodriguez, Mariners. Sam Weatherly, Rockies. And Applied Pressure, Mike Ciani for the Cincinnati Reds. Applied Pressure, Mike Ciani, Reds. Nice card there for the Reds. On to bottom portion of pack 4. Just so you guys know, we have another break listed. Bowman Draft Super Jumbo for Thursday. Tomorrow we don't have anything posted. Sorry for the inconvenience. But we will be back Thursday. Another blue auto. Let's go. More color on the auto. Love to see it. But first with the papers. Jordan Nwagu, Hunter Bishop, Austin Hendrick, Oswaldo Pereza, Pete Crow, Armstrong, Bryson Stott, Jackson Miller, Cameron Molzinski, Carson Ragsdale, Nick Bitsko, Jackson Cower, Bryce Jarvis, Isaiah Green, Riley Green, Jeff Criswell, Marco Raya, Tanner Burns, Will Klein, Alaric Soler, Gage Workman, Brady McConnell, Jared Jones, Bailey Horn, Jack Bloomgren, Kyle Isbell, Connor Phillips, Mitchell Parker, Hudson Haskin, Ryan Murphy, Casey Martin, Ronnie Maurizio, Nico Holsizer, Owen Miller, Luis Gill, Drew Romo, Ian Bedell, Bobby Miller, and R.J. Davovich. Onto the refractors, chrome, and auto we go. Christian Chamberlain, first Bowman refractor, Royals. Jordan Westberg, first Bowman refractor, Orioles. Ethan Hankins refractor, Indians. Reese Hines refractor, Reds. Following that, we got franchise future, Zach Veen, Drew Romo, Rockies. Spencer Torkelson, Tigers. Jeter Downs, Red Sox. Cade Cavalli, Nationals. Miguel Amaya, Cubs. Chris McMahon, Rockies. AJ Vukovic, Diamondbacks. Tristan Lutz, Brewers. Carter Bulmer, Orioles. Christian Robinson, Diamondbacks. Tyler Freeman, Indians. Quinn Priester, Pirates. Corey Lee, Astros. Mark Vientos, Mets. Alika Williams, Rays. Dan Aker, A's. Cameron Molzinski, Pirates. And the auto behind him is LA Dodgers, Clayton Beeter at a 150 going to the Los Angeles Dodgers. Nice card there, Jose P. Clayton Beeter at a 150 going to Jose P. That's number 30 of 150 going to Jose. Nice card, Jose. On to the fifth and final pack. Start off with the papers. Anthony Volpe, Caden Pulsovich, C.J. Abrams, Jordan Nwagu, Hunter Bishop, Trent Palmer, Julio Rodriguez, Sam Weatherly, Christian Robinson, Tyler Freeman, Quinn Priester, Corey Lee, Alex Santos, Shaylin Glears, Nick Garcia, Grayson Rodriguez, Xavier Warren, Trevor Lawrence, Robert Hassel, Jordan Westberg, Daniel Espino, Cole Henry, Jay Groom, CJ Van Eyck, Mitchell Parker, Hudson Haskin, Ryan Murphy, Casey Martin, Ronnie Maurizio, Nico Holsizer, Owen Miller, Zach Veen, Carter Bulmer, Ben Hernandez, Thomas Saxey, Zach McKembley, Aaron Ashby, and Liam Norris. On to the Chromes. First up, Shane McClanahan Refractor, Rays. Patrick Bailey Refractor, Giants. First Bowman. First Bowman Refractor, Milan Tolentino, Indians. And another First Bowman Refractor going to the Giants, Nick Swiney. Glimpse of Greatness, Zach Veen, Rockies. More Giants cards. Great pickup by Jose. RJ Dabovich, Garrett Crochet, Xavier Edwards, Asa Lacy, Aaron Shortridge, Pirates. Clayton Beater, Dodgers, Ronaldo Hernandez, Rays, Hunter Bernhardt, Rays, Oswaldo Pereza, Yankees, Pete Crow Armstrong, Mets, Bryson Stott, Phillies, Jackson Miller, Reds, Jackson Rutledge, Nationals, Gilberto Menez, Red Sox, Marco Luciano, Giants, Tekoa Roby, Rangers, and a 20-20, Heston Kjerstad going to the Orioles. On to the bottom portion of the final pack. Good luck to all. Only 60 more names to read. Whew. Come on, give us a nice color auto here, huh? How does that sound? Oh, we got gold? What is that right there?
It looks like it's
one of those signatures.
class of 2020 or something.
Class of 2020.
A tiny bit more. Yeah, it's one of those classes.
But there's something thick behind it. Something thick or two cards sticking together. I don't know what it is. Guess we'll find out.
Yeah, I see that.
Austin Hendrick looks thick, right?
Yeah, it does.
Oswaldo Pereza, Pete Crow Armstrong, Bryson Stott, Jackson Miller, Jackson Rutledge, Gilberto Jimenez, Marco Luciano, Mark Vientos, Alika Williams, Dan Aker, Cameron Moldzinski, Carson Ragsdale, Bobby Witt Jr., Trevor Halver, Ethan Hankins, Reese Hines, Heliot Ramos, Kyle Nicholas, Casey Schmidt, George Gerby, Mike Ciani, Jareer Encarnacion, Spencer Strider, Ryan Jensen, Nick York, Geraldo Perdomo, Dylan Dingler, Luke Little, Jason Dominguez, Joe Ryan, Blake Rutherford, Jesse Franklin, Travis Swaggerty, Landon Knack, Luis Gill, Drew Romo, Ian Bedell. On to the grand finale. No, it was just two cards sticking together.
Oh.
It looked thick, yeah, but it's just two cards sticking together. First up, Refractor for the Mets, Francisco Alvarez. First Bowman Refractor for the Cardinals, Jordan Walker. Refractor, Grayson Rodriguez, Orioles. And a first Bowman Refractor going to the Brewers, Xavier Warren. Next up, we got Franchise Futures, Heston Kjerstad, Jordan Westberg, Orioles. Joey Cantillo, Indians. Cody Hose, Dodgers. Josh Jung. Wow, look at that card. Look how terribly printed that Josh Jung is.
Oh my God.
Can you guys see that from there? Yeah.
Yeah.
That is terrible.
That's indented, too.
What the hell?
That's crazy. I've never seen
Josh Jung, Texas Rangers. Sammy Infante, Nationals. Kyle Isbell, Royals. Connor Phillips, Mariners. Mitchell Parker, Nationals. Hudson Haskin, Orioles. Matthew Liberator, Cardinals. Quinn Cotton, Reds. Jordan Adams, Angels. Zach Deloach, Mariners. Adam Seminaris, Angels. Jimmy Glaunke, Giants. Nick Ludlow. Oh, we got a purple in front of it? What is that? What is that?
I don't know. It's probably another color insert, it looks like.
What the heck is that?
Right.
Nick Ludlow, Reds. And the card behind him, Spencer Torkelson out of 250 going to the Tigers. Spencer Torkelson, first Bowman out of 250 going to the Tigers. Nice card there, Gilbert D. Look at that. Bang. Nice card there for Gilbert. Spencer Torkelson of 250. Wow. And the auto behind him, it is class of 2020, Detroit Tigers, right? Yep. Dylan Dingler.
that would've been
Dylan Dingler, 40 of 50. Class of 2020, Dylan Dingler. Going to Gilbert D again. What a pack for the Tigers. Wow, that's some way to end it.
I was going to say, back-to-back Torquies. That would have been crazy.
Dylan Dingler, 40 of 50, going to Gilbert.
Damn, that box had some nice refractors. We had the Veen, now the Torque. That's fire.
We'll do a quick recap.
Some nice hits tonight.
Clayton Beater auto out of 150 Dodgers. Thomas Sagassi auto out of 150 Rangers. Saul Garza auto refractor out of 499 for the Royals. Casey Schmidt auto for the Giants. Spencer Torkelson, 14 of 250 for the Tigers. A Spencer Torkelson Chrome. A Pete Crow Armstrong refractor Mets. Ronnie Maurizio paper for the Mets out of 499. A Zach Veen of 150 Chrome going to the Rockies. Matthew Liberator paper out of 499. And an Austin Hendricks Chrome refractor for the Reds. And last but not least, we got the Dylan Dingler, 40 of 50 gold class of 2020 going to the Tigers.
Tigers cleaned up there at the end.
Thanks for everyone joining us tonight. Tune in on Thursday for another Bowman Draft Super Jumbo box break. And that's it for today. Thanks for joining South Shore Breakers.